First, press and hold on the power button until the lock icon disappears to unlock the control panel. After that, press on the timer button once. When the red number is blinking, 1, it indicates that the timer being set is timer 1. After selecting the timer number, proceed to the next step by clicking the timer button again. When the orange icon with a dash and a 1 symbol blinks, it indicates that you are setting the start time. To set the start time, press the timer button again. When the hour time starts blinking, simply press the arrow up or arrow down button to set your desired time. Once done, press the timer button again to set the minute time. Repeat the same steps by pressing the arrow up or down button to set your desired time. Lastly, press the timer button again to confirm. Once the start time is set, press the timer button again to set the end time. Again, press the timer button. Next, press the down arrow button to switch from start time mode to end time mode. After that, press the timer button again and set your desired end time. To set the second timer, press on the timer button again. Next, press on the arrow up button to set the second timer. After that, repeat the same steps used to set timer 1. To cancel the timer, press the timer button once, followed by the clock button. When both the orange icon for start time and end time is disappear, it indicates that the timer has been cancelled.